Good morning everyone. Today I will discuss about trigonometric equation. Equation involving trigonometric function of variable known as trigonometric equation. Trigonometric equation. In trigonometric equation there are two types of solution. General solution and principal value. General solution lies between 0 less than x less than 2 pi. So sine, value of sine and cos lies between 0 to 2 pi, and also tan, value of tan running between lies between 0 less than x less than or equal to pi. And principal value, this is principal value, and also general solution of trigonometric equation a integer n known as general solution. So general solution of trigonometric general solution sine first, sin x is equal to sin y. So imply that x is equal to n pi plus n minus 1 की power n into y. So first general solution in trigonometry ratio sin x is equal to sin y. So therefore general solution of sine in ratio, so x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into y. And second, cos x is equal to cos y. So imply that x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. So n belong to z, z for integer, and also n belong to z, this is integer. So third equation, tan x is equal to tan y. So imply that x is equal to n pi plus y. So n belong to z. N for z means integer 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. This is general solution of sin x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into y. So n belong to z, where n is integer, and cos, so x is equal to 2n pi plus minus y. So n is equal to integer. Also tan x is equal to tan y, is imply that x is equal to n pi plus y. So n belong to z. According to this formula, solve exercise 3.4. Find the principal and general solution of following equation. So question number first, tan x is equal to root 3. So root 3 value of in tan. So tan tan x is equal to tan root 3 in value of in angle root 3 value of, so theta is equal to 60 degree, change into radian, so 60 upon 180, so pi by 3, so pi by 3. So now root 10 value of theta 60, change into radian, 60 upon 180, so pi upon 180, so this 3 pi by 3. So general solution of tan x is equal to root 3 in tan, value of root 3 in tan, so pi by 3. So in general solution x is equal to n pi plus y means pi by 3, so pi by 3. And also principal value so n is equal to, let n is equal to 0 1 2, so put n is equal to 0 in x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3, so put x is equal to n 0 pi into pi plus pi by 3, x is equal to pi by 3. And also when x is equal, n is equal to, now 1, put n is equal to 1, put in equation x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3, so x is equal to 1 into pi plus pi by 3, so x is equal to pi plus pi by 3, so pi 3 pi plus pi upon 3, so 4 pi by 3. And also n is equal to 2, put in equation x is equal to n pi plus pi by 3, so n means 2 pi plus pi by 3, so 3 2 is 6, pi plus pi 7 pi by 3. So principal values is equal to pi by 3 and 4 pi by 3 and 7 pi by 3. Question number 2. Sec x is equal to 2. So now we know that sec x is equal to 1 upon cos x is equal to 2, or 2 cos x is equal to 1 cos x is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 in value cos, we get cos x is equal to cos pi by 3. So general solution of in cos, so So x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3 when n belong to z. So now principal value so let n is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2. So now put n is equal to 0, then first principal value of x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. Now put this, so 2 into 0 pi plus minus pi by 3. So x is equal to plus minus pi by 3, and also put n is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2n into 1 pi plus minus pi by 3. x is equal to 2 pi plus minus pi by 3. Taken positive, so x is equal to 2 pi plus pi by 3, so get 7 pi by 3. And also taken negative value, so x is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 3, so 2 3 ja 6 and 5 pi by 3. So principal value is equal to plus minus pi by 3 and 5 pi by 3 and 7 pi by 3. Question number 3, cot x is equal to minus root 3. So now change tan. So 1 upon tan x is equal to minus root 3. So minus root 3 tan x is equal to 1. So tan x is equal to minus 1 upon root 3. So now 1 upon root 3 in tan, so value of 1 upon root 3 in tan, so pi by 6, any pi by 6, any value of 30 degree. So now change also tan minus pi by 6. So tan x. So now since tan minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, so use in this formula. So now general solution in tan form, x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. Also you can write n pi minus pi by 6. So n belong to z integer. So ये general solution, and also principal value so let n is equal to 0 1 2, then x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 6. So now put n is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 into pi minus pi by 6, so minus pi by 6. When n is equal to 1, so x is equal to 1 into pi minus pi by 6. So now pi minus pi by 6, so 5 pi by 6. And also when n is equal to 2, then x is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 6. So now we 6 to the 12 pi minus pi 11 pi upon 6. So principal value is equal to minus pi by 6 and 5 pi by 6, also 11 pi by 6. Find the general solution each of the following equation. Question number 5. Cos 4x is equal to cos 2x. So now you can solve, also arrange this. Cos 4x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. This cos since cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y upon 2 into sin x minus y by 2. So this formula can be used in this place. So minus 2 sin 4x plus 2x upon 2 into sin 4x minus 2x upon 2 is equal to 0. Also you can write, so minus 2 sin 4x plus 2x, 6x upon 2, then 3x and into sin 2x 4x minus 2x 2x upon 2, then x is equal to 0. So also can we write sin 3x into sin x is equal to 0. There are two factors in sin, so separated. So sin 3x is equal to 0 and sin x also will be 0. So now sin 3x is equal to sin 0 in value of 0 in sin ratio, so sin 0. So now general solution of this, so general solution, so 3x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into y, so value 0. So this is 3x is equal to n pi. Also we can write x is equal to n pi by 3 and n belong to z. And also you can write sin x is equal to sin value 0. So x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into 0 when n belong to z integer. Also you can write x is equal to n pi. So now answer x is equal to n pi and also n pi by 3. This is answer of this question. Question number 6. Cos 3x plus cos x minus cos 2x is equal to 0. Find general solution of given equation. So now sin x plus sin y. So we know that cos x plus cos y is equal to 2 cos x plus y upon 2 into cos x minus y upon 2. This formula used in this way. So you can write, so cos 2 cos 3x plus x upon 2 into cos 3x minus x upon 2 minus cos 2x is equal to 0. So 2 cos 3x plus x, 4x upon 2, that is 2x, and cos 3x minus x, 2x upon 2, cos x, and also cos 2x is equal to 0. So now cos 2x common out, cos 2x common out, so remaining 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. Also can you write cos 2x is equal to 0 and cos 2 cos x minus 1 is equal to 0. So cos 0 value of in cos ratio, so cos 2x is equal to cos pi by 2, and also you can write, so 2 cos x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 4, pi by 2, this, so x is equal to divide 2n pi upon 2 plus minus pi by 4 and 2 cancel out, so x is equal to n pi plus minus pi by 4, and also you can write 2 cos x is equal to 1 and cos x is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 in cos, so cos x is equal to pi cos pi by 3. So cos, general solution of cos x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 3. So this is also answer, this is also answer, and question number 7, sin 2x plus cos x is equal to 0. So since we know that sin 2x formula, can you write, so 2 sin x into cos x plus cos x is equal to 0. So cos and cos x is common out, so 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to 0 and also 2 sin x plus 1 is equal to 0. So cos x is equal to value of 0 in cos, so cos 90, so pi by 2, so cos pi by 2. So general solution of cos, so cos general solution, so cos x is equal to 2n pi plus minus pi by 2. And also, so 2 sin x is equal to -1 and sin x is equal to -1/2. In -1/2 in sine ratio, so -1/2, so pi sin pi plus pi by 6, so 7 pi by 6, so sin x is equal to sin pi plus pi by 6, so sin pi minus pi by 6, so sin 31/2. So now since sin x is equal to sin 7 pi by 6, so general solution of this, so x is equal to n pi plus minus 1 की power n into 7 pi by 6, and n belong to z, n belong to z. That's all.